Welcome to Mastering Social Media Marketing, top platforms and strategies for success. In today's digital age, social media has become a powerful tool to reach and engage with your target audience. One of the top social media platforms is Facebook. With over 2.8 billion monthly active users, it provides a vast audience for businesses. Utilize Facebook ads to target specific demographics and interests, and create engaging content to foster customer interaction. Instagram is another popular platform, especially for visual content. With more than 1 billion monthly active users, it's essential to showcase your brand's personality through captivating images and videos. Use stories, reels, and IGTV to connect with your audience and increase brand visibility. LinkedIn, on the other hand, is a professional networking platform. It's perfect for B2B marketing and building industry connections. Publish thought leadership content, join relevant groups, and engage with professionals to establish your brand's authority. Twitter is all about real-time connections and viral content. With 330 million monthly active users, it's an ideal platform for news, trends, and customer service interactions. Use hashtags, engage with trending topics, and respond promptly to customer inquiries to maximize your presence on Twitter. YouTube, the second largest search engine after Google, is perfect for video marketing. With over 2 billion monthly active users, it provides a vast audience for businesses. Create high-quality, informative, and entertaining videos to engage with your target audience. Now that we've covered the top platforms, let's discuss some strategies for success in social media marketing. First, define your goals and target audience. Understand who you're trying to reach and what you want to achieve. Next, create a content strategy. Consistently publish relevant and valuable content that resonates with your audience. Use a mix of educational, entertaining, and promotional content to keep them engaged. Engagement is key. Respond to comments, DMs, and mentions promptly. Show your audience that you value their feedback and opinions. Encourage them to share and interact with your content. Lastly, analyze your results. Use social media analytics tools to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. Adjust your strategy based on the data to continually improve and optimize your social media marketing efforts. Thanks for watching Mastering Social Media Marketing.